You're in the middle of a sentence, and then, you didn't do anything. It just happened. Everyone gets hiccups. Babies get them before they're even born. But here's the strange part. Scientists still can't fully explain why. So what actually is a hiccup? A hiccup starts with your diaphragm, the big dome of muscle under your lungs. Normally, it pulls down smoothly when you breathe. But sometimes it fires a sudden, sharp spasm that yanks in a quick gulp of air you never asked for. Then comes the actual hic. A split second after that gulp, the lid over your windpipe, called the glottis, snaps shut. The rushing air slams into it and stops dead. That sudden stop is the sound. So a hiccup is really two things, a spasm, then a slam. What sets it off? Usually something that irritates the nerves running to your diaphragm. Eating too fast, fizzy drinks, a big meal, or even a rush of excitement. All of them can make that nerve twitchy, and off you go. But here's the real mystery. Why do we hiccup at all? It seems useless. One leading theory says it's a leftover from our distant ancestors, back when they breathed through gills. The same brain circuit that once pumped water over gills may still be wired in us. It is just a theory, not a settled fact. What we do know is stranger still. Babies hiccup in the womb, before their first breath. So how do you get rid of them? Honestly, the science here is thin. Most famous cures have little real evidence, but a few have logic behind them. Holding your breath builds up carbon dioxide, which may calm the diaphragm. Sipping cold water or swallowing can help reset the nerve. The trick is simply to interrupt the reflex. The good news: normal hiccups are harmless and pass on their own within minutes. But if a bout lasts more than 2 days, that is worth a doctor's visit, because something else may be irritating the nerve. So a hiccup is an ancient reflex, one your body kept long after it needed it. Now tell me, what's the one hiccup cure that always works for you? Share it in the comments. And if you're curious about how your body works, subscribe to the Why Body.